What's up everyone, and welcome back to another video here on the Lil'X YouTube channel. Today we are going to be checking out the $7 Temu Apple Watch Ultra. As you can see here, we have the box. It is labeled as Watch 8 for some reason. I have no idea. Maybe they wanted to copy the Apple Watch Series 8. And here it says what it includes. Apple Watch 8 on the sides. We just have nothing because he pushed the box to unbox it. So let's get straight to it. Oh wow, I have to say, I'm gonna put this off to the side here for a minute. I have to say, this Apple Watch band is actually pretty nice. So I attempt to get it out of the packaging for you guys. And wow, I gotta say, this material actually feels pretty nice. As you can see, it's kind of like a Velcro style band. Just Velcros together. It's kind of similar to the one that I have now. As you can see here, obviously stronger Velcro on this one. The Velcro on this one is pretty weak, but I mean, I feel like it could still keep it on together. Definitely not something that you would use on your original Apple Watch Ultra, but it feels really nice. I might rock this on my personal Apple Watch. Continuing on, we have our instructions, which I'm pretty sure they're all in Chinese. It is not even, we get some in English. As you can see here, we have the instructions telling you to download the app for Android or iPhone, which we are obviously not going to do because this is a Chinese product and I do not want that connected to my phone. We have another pair of watch bands. It comes with two. This is more than what you get with the original Apple Watch, and this was only $7 from Temu. This is crazy. Now the quality obviously is pretty cheap. As you can see there, we have some discoloration already on here, probably toxic plastic if I'm even being honest with you guys, but it feels okay. It's not the best quality feeling. As you can see here, this is wanting to be a clone of, I believe it's called the Ocean watch band. So you use this one pretty much in the ocean on your original Apple Watch Ultra. Definitely would not recommend it on your original one, since it's probably not going to be able to withstand nothing. We have our charger, which appears to be an official Apple Watch charger. I know we checked out a different clone of an Apple Watch from Temu. That one came with contacts that actually had to touch. This one appears to be wireless, so it might even work with the OEM Apple Watch. We're definitely going to be checking that out. So I can confirm the charger is wireless. However, it does not work with the official Apple Watch. As you can see there, if we put the clone, charges up, no problem. Watch charger, the magnet is okay. It's pretty weak, but yeah, it does not work with the official watch. As you can see there, the magnet is actually rejecting it. So yeah, it does not work. It only works with our clone. But as you can see here, it looks pretty poor quality. It appears to have like some separation issues. As you can see there, plug that off to the side. And for what we came here to see, the Apple Watch Ultra from Temu. Now, this is gonna sound crazy for you guys, but it feels like metal. This thing feels like metal. Let's go ahead and get it out of this little plastic here. Wow, here you go. I already put some fingerprints on it, but checking around, it looks pretty legit. And like I said, I think this is metal, guys. As you can hear it tap against my ceramic little plant thing from IKEA. This is metal. For $7, you are getting an Apple Watch Ultra. As you can see here in the back, we have same healthy fashion campaign smartwatch, 49 millimeters. Different vision, as you can see here. No idea what that means. No idea what that means. Now, I wonder if it's gonna have any battery powered. I don't know which button to press. We have our action button and we have our regular button. Try to hold this one down, see what happens. Wow, it made a noise. I think it said hello. But as you can see here, I think it's gonna have the same, almost the same operating system as our other watch did. We do not have touch to wake functionality. Oh yeah, this makes the same clicking noises. Let me put it up to my microphone so you can hear it. Yeah, it just makes those click noises as we switch through the watch faces. And that was pretty cool, I'm not gonna lie. We got a whale, different ones, classic. This is copied straight from the Hermes. And there we have our supposed Apple Watch Ultra watch face. Now that one looks pretty cool. This one looks pretty much OEM. And back to it. So not that great of a selection. See here, our action button. Oh, so if we press it, it actually goes into workout modes. I think this is something similar that the actual Apple Watch does. You can see there. We press the button on the side. Goes to our workout, so we can do a walking, running, cycling, skipping, basketball, football. So we click one, it starts our workout. I wonder if let's see, started. We have no lights to track like heart rate, stuff like that. So, are you getting a simple workout tracking? Go ahead and stop that if I can. Probably gotta pause it and then stop it. Not fully sure. Let's check it out a little more. If we swipe up, oh, we actually do get like a control center type deal. We got our Bluetooth, switch it on and off flashlight. So just like the official one, it's not pretty bright. I'm pretty sure this is probably the brightest that it can go. If I turn it over, it does not get any brighter. So that's as bright as it'll go. We'll go back. We have our screen brightness. Gotta tap to make it brighter. We have our sport mode or our exercises. Go back. We have, I'm guessing, our apps. Oh, app style. Okay, so we have different app styles and our music. So cannot operate without T-phone. I'm guessing cell phone. Go back, go into the actual apps, and whoa, we have way more apps than what we did on the other one. Let me check this out real quick, and then I'll get back with you guys.
8 hours later.
We have an alarm, back settings, display brightness, once again on here, QR code if you want to download the app. We have a reset, factory reset, shutdown, torch, language, sport. You can see here you have your different workouts that you can do, just like on the actual Apple Watch. You have a heart rate. Now this app is supposed to measure your heart rate, but as you can see, these lights look pretty weak to me. I don't think these are gonna do anything. Now compared to an official watch, as you can see here, I'll go into the actual heart rate. We'll try to compare it. Let me close it, open it again. You can see there, we'll compare it, see if it gets a measurement. Now the official one, it says 74, what is the fake one gonna say? 76, 73, 76, pretty 78. So it's actually going up. 76, 78. It might actually be working, guys. I might actually have to take that back. So we're 79, 96. Yeah, this is obviously way off. Way off. Yeah, like I mentioned, it's obviously not working. Those little lights aren't going to be doing nothing. We have a blood pressure. Once again, little goofy lights aren't going to do much, but we'll try it anyways. Wow. So, things that would require you to actually be, connected to things. These little lights aren't doing nothing. Going back around, we have a blood oxygen sensor, which once again, it is the same pair of lights. This is like a Christmas tree. This is not gonna do nothing for your health. So please do not buy this expecting it to have the same features as an official watch. Stopwatch, calculator. Now these little basic things you can do. So we'll see 9 times 2, 18, gets it correct. We have different styles for the menu. We have Siri, which obviously is not gonna work because we don't have a phone connected. It should just give you the error. You can see there, no T-phone connected. Going back around, we have WhatsApp, Facebook, Skype, and Twitter. Now, every one of these apps, whenever you tap them, it just says no message. No message, no message, no message. And I don't know about you guys, but I haven't heard about Skype in a good minute. So as you can tell by how much inch about how back this OS is. We do get a little game though, so as you can see there, I don't really know much about how to play this game. Guess you just match it. I'm not fully sure, but it comes with it. We try. It comes with the little game. Bedside lamp. I'm guessing this is the same thing as, whenever you charge it on the dock, it'll give you, information, give you the time. Dual mode, not fully sure what this is for. So this is everything that comes in with the watch. Obviously, if you pair it to your phone, you get functionality. Can you take a screenshot? Nope, you cannot take a screenshot. Now this has been it, guys. The $7 Apple Watch Ultra from Temu. Wow. Now another thing that I noticed is if you look at the corner, we do have some light bleed. But here, let me zoom in as much as I can. We have like a separation from the display, as you can see there, where the bezel is to where the actual display is. We got like some separation, so it's not really aligned. As you can see there, we got some light bleed. I hope y'all enjoyed this quick look at the $7 Apple Watch Ultra from Temu. If you want me to check out more items, comment them down below. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. We are on our way to 500 subscribers. We are at 301, I believe. So if you could help out with that goal, that would be great. And then, like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.